I'm Antonio Johnson, and I'm here with Pastor Sean Reed. How you doing there, Pastor?
I'm doing great, sir. How are you?
Great. Man, you're singing gospel, and you've been singing quite a while. Tell me a little bit about what your journey has been up until this day in gospel.
It's been a wonderful experience. We've seen lives transformed as the music has grown and increased. God has been such a blessing in our lives. And so anytime we go out and we minister, we're hearing testimonies and we're seeing lives change. So it's been a wonderful journey for me.
Now, you're a pastor, and you mix music with ministry. Is it difficult?
No, sir. It's complementary. I believe that the music ministry enhances the preaching and teaching ministry. It helps to set the ground and the atmosphere to where when it's time to teach, everybody's already prepared and God is already, in the building and we're ready to go. So I think it works hand in hand.
Now, you look like you're working on a lot of things, so go ahead and share some of that with me.
Okay. We're actually currently in the studio right now working on another project. And to keep up with that, if you wanted to, if anybody's out there listening, you can check out SeanMinistries.com.
Okay.
And we constantly update the site to keep people informed of what we're having. Hopefully, early spring, we'll be releasing the project across the country.
Pastor Sean Reed doing it big. I'm Antonio Johnson, and this week's Gospel Sunday singer is Pastor Sean Reed.
I worship you. God, I lift my hands to offer you my praise. Bow down at your feet, seeking your face. Just to know you, Lord, that's my desire. Just to know you, Lord, take me high into your presence. I lift my hands to offer my praise. Lord, I'm bowed down at your feet just to see your face, just to know you, Lord, that's my desire. Just to know you, Lord, take me higher. God, I lift my hands to offer my praise, yeah. Lord, I bow at your feet to seek your face, yeah. I want to know you, that's my desire, yeah. Dry and thirsty land, I'm chasing after you to see your face and not your hand. Oh Lord, I long to be before your presence, oh God, and I worship you in spirit and in truth with all my heart. We worship you in spirit and in truth. Oh Lord, my soul will magnify your name. God of heaven and earth, forever you reign. May your glory endure, Almighty King. Yeah. everything you are to me. Oh Lord, I worship you, yeah, yeah. Oh. Stop the track.
And if you wanted the others, you want those?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Lord, as the deer panteth for the waters, oh my soul longeth after thee. For you alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee. Lord, like the deer pants for the waters, oh my soul longeth after thee. For you alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. I love you, Lord, and I lift my voice to worship you. Oh, my soul, rejoice. Take joy, my King, in what you hear. Let it be a sweet, sweet sound in your ear. For you alone are my strength and my shield. For you, O Lord, doth my spirit yield. Oh, you alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship thee.
That was awesome.
Praise God.
That was